Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply Autotune filter on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Here I have opened my phone, and if we want to get the Autotune filter on TikTok, we need to update our TikTok. Make sure you have updated your TikTok on your Apple Store or Play Store, and after that, you're going to open your TikTok and create a post on TikTok. And here I'm going to apply the Autotune filter to this video. We can go to this option, click on this little arrow, and then you're going to select this voice option or this microphone symbol. Okay, and you need to scroll down until you find the Autotune filter. And this is the Autotune filter, guys. This is the symbol of Autotune filter. In my language, it says this one, but in English language, it will say Autotune. You just need to click on this option to apply the Autotune. Okay, and after that, you're going to click on save. And once you're ready to post your video on TikTok, you just need to click on next, and then you can click on post. Alright guys, and that's all the way to apply Autotune filter on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.